Here are a few ways that you can get started using unlockable missions. Location-dependent missions. Complete a GPS mission to unlock a new mission or set of missions at that location. Multi-part missions. Think Part 1 and Part 2. Complete one mission and unlock a follow-up mission. Bonus missions. Release missions sporadically throughout the experience to add a bit of extra excitement. Sequential missions. Lead participants step by step, unlocking each mission in order. Choose your own adventure. Let participants shape their path by choosing which missions to complete and unlocking missions based on their choices. Unlockable missions really does unlock so much more potential in your experiences. So, give it a try and let us know how you're using unlockable missions. We'd love to hear from you.